Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you how to backtest on TradingView for free in 2026 using the available tools which are accessible to the basic plan user as well. So first of all, come here on tradingview.com, then log in into your account if you haven't already. Now guys, I'm going to show you how you can backtest on TradingView absolutely for free even with your basic account. But if you want to get access to more features and you were looking for the discounts, you can just check out the link of this particular page in the description. Currently, the Black Friday sale is going on, in which you will get up to 80% off on TradingView subscriptions, plus 1 month additional absolutely for free. Only 2 days left in this deal. So make sure that you explore the offers if this particular thing interests you. Now here, let's get back to the topic. Now, over here, click on the option of products, or you can also click on the option of this search icon here on the top in order to launch the chart in front of you. Now, once you have the chart available, in order to backtest your data, the tool or the feature that is used mostly is called replay. So when you click on the option of replay, it is going to show you this type of pop-up. So click on the option of start new. Now once you see this type of line or this type of scissor icon in front of you, you just have to click at that particular candle from where you want to start backtesting. For example, let's say I want to click on this particular candle, which is of Friday 19th September 2025. So after clicking on it, it is going to show you this type of watermark of replay in front of you. This is basically the indication that you are not in the real-time market, but you are actually using the back data in order to basically test your strategy. Now, once this tool is enabled, you will see a bunch of different options here in the bottom section as well. So here we have the option of select bar. So you can click on the select bar and then you can move it further and click on it in order to go back to this particular page. Now we have the forward option. When you click on the forward option, you will see that the candle has the movement. You will have to keep on clicking on it if you want to see the movement of the candles. If you want the candles to move automatically, simply click on the option of play and it will move automatically here on your chart. Now you can also change the replay speed. So click on this 1x icon, then you can make changes into the replay speed. After that, you can also change the update interval, and here you can directly jump to the real-time chart in your chart with the help of this particular option. Now here, in order to punch your order when you are backtesting, you first of all have to pause the chart over here. For example, because of your strategy, you want to short from here. So you just have to use this long short tool. From the long short tool, simply select the short tool. Then place the short tool in such a way so that it could show you the entry, and then you just have to select your stop loss and your take profit just like so. After that, click on the option of sell here on the top left hand corner, and as you can see, the sell order is placed. Now you just have to make sure that you use the stop loss just like so. So you can drag and drop it something like this. After that, for TP, you can select it something like this. Now in back testing, you can see you have punched your order based on the strategy that you are testing. Now in order to see the outcome of this strategy, you can either click on the option of this play icon, or what you can do is you can just simply click on this forward icon in order to see whether the strategy was hit or a miss. As you can see, for now this particular strategy was a hit, but you can just keep on doing it. Like with the help of the long short tool, you can test out your strategy, and this way you can just use backtesting absolutely for free on TradingView. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.